All right, forgot my mic, so if the audio is not great today, I do apologize. Welcome to day 5 of 365. After today, we only have 360 days left to go. Maybe we'll just keep going after that, see how long we can go. Maybe we can beat a Roman Atwood streak of like 540 days in a row or whatever he's done. Big inspiration for me and my social media career is Roman Atwood. I've been watching that guy since, I know this is what it sounds like whenever you hear anyone talk about him, since before, or just when he started doing pranks pretty much. So big inspiration, shout out to Roman Atwood. So today we are building myself a crazy kind of ish desk for the basement office where you guys see me filming stuff and doing my product fulfillment for my merch line. We're in my father-in-law's shop. We're gonna borrow some tools and cut up this 2 sheets of melamine to make a desktop, or at the top of the desk, and then on the front facing side is gonna be shelves where I can put merch to utilize space in my office since I don't have a huge office. I figured to shelves on the front and the side of the desk would make good use of the space. So we're gonna try to make this. I'm no carpenter, but there's a carpenter that will be in here that can assist me. So let's get this going. Here's my drawings of how big I want stuff and how many pieces of each, but I think I'm gonna switch it up and make a little less shelving for now, and I can always add more shelving into these spots afterwards. Because I only have 2 sheets, not 3. This is technically for 3 sheets. I only picked up 2 because they're a little more expensive than what I was hoping. So back home now, this is the current desk situation, which is 2 of these little, like, I don't know, little tables that you use when you just need extra table space. I don't know. 2 of those holding up this old, like, this thing was all jankety in our laundry room when we moved into this house. So that's the current situation. Now we've got this, this, and 2 more pieces, which is gonna assemble this really cool desk. Not quite as wide, which will give me more room here, but deeper, as you can tell, and a little bit higher, along with, it's gonna have 4 columns of 4 shelves each for storing merch in. And then it'll have another column here with wider stuff, so we put like pre-branded boxes or extra merch or whatever in there. So this is about to get a whole lot cleaner and more organized. What's up, Gary? So let's get to assembling this. So we pretty much made this thing like if it was a IKEA build, where did all the cutting, pre-drilled everything, other than I gotta drill into these guys where like this shelf actually gets built. And then these guys go into here. Might have to go a little bigger of holes now that I picked up different brackets, because this is all they had at the hardware store that I quickly grabbed before they closed. And then we got all the edging for all the exposed edges, which we're gonna use the little heat press that I showed you guys in the last video to iron this on to make it look clean. Here we got these clips that we're just popping into here. These things are too long to where, you know, it's over half that distance, and then with that one being there too, they kind of hit each other. So we're calling it good. It's all good. All right, there we go. I do need to pick up more of those shelf brackets pieces, like the ones that hold the little white pieces for there and for this side. And I do need to put some more of this stripping piece on. But other than that, it's looking so good. So pumped when you can actually take a little vision of something like this. Because this was in my head, and I was just like, I need to make this happen. Because it's just a cool, fun concept. I'm always trying to figure out ways to make things work in small spaces. Not that I have a tiny house, but I like to utilize space. This is a good space utilizer right here. So I know these shirts aren't like done because they don't have the neck labels yet, but I just want to see how it looks with stuff filled up more. Yeah, like look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Small, medium, large, XL. And then like 2X would probably just go into these ones, I'm thinking. And we can put each color together, but have it stacked in order of color, I think. So there it is, more filled up. Not all the merch, but a good amount of what I honestly have in stock right now. Like I say, guys, I'm not a huge brand. This is the brand. It's a mess right now because of building this, but by tomorrow, this will all be cleaned up, organized, and really nice. But yeah, there it is. Like it's 30 deep. So it's not just 24, it's actually 30 deep. These are 12 inches, these shelves. So you still have a good amount of leg room, and it's awesome. So let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for sticking with me, guys, for another video. Day 5 of 365 is done. Thank you guys so much. Hit that subscribe button. We'll talk to you guys in the next one. See you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.